How to use HM230 head massager. Start by pressing and holding the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. Make sure the device is fully charged. Place the massager gently on your scalp and begin using it as needed. This device offers 4 massage modes. Mode 1 offers slow anti-clockwise rotation. Mode 2 provides faster anti-clockwise movement. Mode 3 delivers slow clockwise rotation. And Mode 4 gives you a faster clockwise massage. Simply press the power button to switch between the modes. Move the massager slowly in circular motions with light pressure for a relaxing experience. Once done, press and hold the button to turn it off. Cleaning and maintenance. To clean, gently pull out the massage nodes. Rinse them with warm water and wipe both the device and nodes with a dry cloth before storing. Precaution. Please ensure that the massager doesn't come in contact with water. Charging method. Just plug it in and charge it for 2 hours. Red light means it's charging. Green light means it's fully charged and ready to go. Thank you.